Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another Sips, Riffs, and Flicks. This is what we're going to call a SRNF short, I guess.
Perfect.
So, nothing planned. Brandon called me today. This is Brandon. I'm Kevin.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again.
Brandon sent me a text today and said that we should do the Sprite challenge.
Yes, so here's the thing. You chug a Sprite, you try not to burp. However, if we burp during the challenge, we're still going to finish it.
So,
it's that simple.
I saw one video that he sent me. I don't know what it's supposed to happen. I'm afraid it might make me throw up. I don't know.
I hope you puke. You
but
ready?
I like Sprite and I like challenges, so...
I don't like Sprite. I don't even drink salt.
I just had Sprite with vodka the other day.
Well, that's different.
So, okay, so we're supposed to...
Just chug it.
And not burp.
Don't burp. Don't burp.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Yep.
I already got a burp.
I feel it. Wow. It's in my throat.
I am screwed, man. I'm only a quarter down.
I think I'm going to make it. I think I'm going to do this.
Are you not busy? Are you not about to burp?
What I'm doing is, when I feel like I'm going to burp, I wash it down with more Sprite. Whew. I'm going to beat this challenge.
Whatever you do, don't shake your hand with the Sprite in your mouth. Makes it fizzy.
I'm going to beat this challenge. I'll be honest with you. It's harder just to drink a whole Sprite than it is to not burp.
I have so much pressure.
Wow.
I'm in so much pain.
Does that mean you won?
I think I beat it. Oh, that burp was everything, man. Oh, I got some foam. Oh, dude, that is ridiculous. Oh.
So did I win?
You don't have to burp or nothing.
I mean, did I beat the challenge?
Yeah. Oh,
I beat the challenge. You're getting ready to throw
I
up.
got sausage casserole on my mouth.
All right, hold on. Like, is there a time?
That's it. Thanks.
But I think I won. That is harder than you think it is.
There's more coming.
It's coming out of your nose.
All right.
All right,
Thanks.
Sprite Challenge brought to you by Sips, Riffs, and Flicks. If you have any other challenges or anything you want to see us do, let us know. Like, comment, and share.
Thanks.
See y'all.